Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are looking at Bitcoin for our time frame. As you can see, we did break through our little support that we had drawn out yesterday, and we're approaching the sweet buy area. And this is that previous consolidation that we had right over here. So we are going to have to wait, be patient, and see where this wants to stop and turn around. Our 4-hour candle should be closing in about 20 minutes. And if we can stay above this 39,958, basically 40K, it's a sign of strength, meaning these last accumulation zone buyers are defending this price from breaking that low and them having to stop out of their positions. If we do come under here, you're gonna see probably a lot more selling into this area, and then it's gonna try to consolidate in this range. I'm gonna turn on our indicator so we can see exactly what's going on. Here's our moving averages and our exponential moving averages. And as I said yesterday, we were going to try to hit that 21, and we hit it, and now we are getting rejected fully off of that. We had one close outside of it. We opened outside of it, but then instantly rejected really, really hard. And this is what my fear was, that we were going to have people start selling at the 21 because of the fact that we couldn't get back above this previous consolidation. This move happened right after the daily candle. The 4-hour daily candle close was right around here. Then we just started tanking right after that overnight. And this is where people are going to be looking at Bitcoin when the market opens in about an hour. This, I understand people are panicking, people are scared, but this is not unexpected. We always knew that we were going to see some consolidation. As you can see, I turned on the Bollinger Bands. We are trending outside of it and pretty heavily. So we need to be very, very careful. Even when this candle closes in 30 minutes, the next candle that opens is considered a trending action. So it should be something similar to this. It'll be a while before the sellers stop panicking. This right here demonstrates fear and panic in the markets. When it's selling off this fast, people are just selling the asset at any price they can get rid of it just to go to cash, and then they want to reposition. So be aware. I'm going to switch this all to the daily. And at the daily, we can see that we did get rejected off of that 21, but we're trying to find support on this 100 moving average, and we're right on the bottom of the Bollinger Band. This is very early in the day. This candle right here, this one little candle, won't close until 8 p.m. tonight. Our goal is to have this close inside the Bollinger Band and not outside of it. If it's outside, then as soon as 8 o'clock happens and the new 8 o'clock candle comes, it can continue bleeding out. And we're so close to losing this range. If we lose this range, it's going to be a waterfall kind of situation, because there's going to be a lot of liquidations of over leveraged traders, causing the price to fall down faster and harder. An ideal scenario would be Bitcoin holding this trend line and not coming under it, but the probability of it is not the greatest. We're going to leave this here so we can follow up on it later. So let me just change that. Let's use another color because we already used green. But there you go. Extend this. There you go. So we are hoping that Bitcoin does what it's been doing, and it's going to be bouncing and following this trend, and then hopefully we can find this last bottom in this area and then continue further up. Keep in mind, even if prices go up, there's going to be a lot of people trying to get out of their position around the 43,800 area. So be patient and careful. If you see price go up that fast, don't rush in to buy. Just be patient. There might be another retracement. And after this, we're going to go look at Ethereum. All right, here's Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, and as we saw yesterday, dumped right after the daily candle, and we actually got the price come right to our support. At our support was at $30,045.90, and we went to $33,000.28. Our support was at $3,000.45. and it went to $3,028. So we were about $20-$30 off from catching the low. That's totally okay. That's why you're supposed to put in your order with the limit and let it come to it. We're still not out of the woods. This is a very big sell candle. There's no way reason this can't just continue as soon as the 30 minutes are up and the next candle comes up. We do have a little bit of a wick here, so it does showing that this support got bought up. So that's good. Let me turn on some of our indicators. Here's our Bollinger Band. We are clearly diving under the Bollinger Band. So selling is active right now. There are way more sellers than buyers. And you can turn on the volume and you can see that clearly on the volume that was a very big sell candle. Let me turn on our EMA. I'm going to remove the volume for now. I'm going to turn on our EMA and our moving averages. We found support on their 200. That was what we were looking for. Our 200 and our support line matched up. Now what we need to do is wait 30 minutes and see what this next candle wants to do. Is the next candle going to continue the sell-off into this next consolidation range? Or is it going to start getting picked right back up off of the 200? And we're going to have to wait every 4-hour candle to see. And in a day, you only have 3 4-hour candles. That's 12 hours, guys. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of patience needed in trading. Don't be rushing. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, as we can see, we're coming into this consolidation. This same consolidation area where we have our support and resistance line is where everything is coming. I'm going to add one new stop loss, and it's going to be this low. If we come down this low, we got problems bigger than a consolidation. And that area is 2,159. Under that price, you're going to see a lot of people start panicking and selling out of the position. Hopefully we don't get that low. Here's another trend line for us. And let's see if Ethereum wants to follow this. I'm going to make this one orange like I did the other one. And then we're going to set this in place so we can follow up with it. So there is your area. Hopefully Ethereum comes over there into this support area and bounces off and does not break this. Breaking this trend line is an issue as well. Let's see the volume. Yeah, the daily volume is in selling action. So you want to be careful, guys. This is just one candle for today, and this candle does not even close until 8 p.m. today. So this can go all the way to the bottom, which is this purple 100 moving average at 2,967, and then start to find some support and consolidate and go back up. So this is not saying that we're done going down. It can come over here at 9:30 when the CME market opens, and then we can instantly go back up because that's when all the traders will be at their computers trying to trade, and maybe everyone's trying to buy the discount. So be patient and wait for it and have your plan ready. Make sure before you do anything, you have your buy, your sell, your stop loss, and your take profit. All 4 of those levels need to be properly noted before you even enter a position. Aside from that, please like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for updates. I'm trying to get this to you guys before the market opens so you guys can take proper action with your positions. And please feel free to leave comments in the section below for any other assets you want to cover. I'm going to try my best to pick a few stocks today and a few other altcoins that are actually showing some life. And we'll try to put out those videos today as well. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming back and paying attention to the channel. I really, really appreciate it. It's because of you that I'm making these videos, so keep it up. Thank you. Have a great Monday.